This project is the first facility for the MBTA in their complete electrification of their bus fleet. The project is approximately 10 acres, and of that, the building takes up 5. So it's an extremely large facility. As far as the industry is concerned, it's really state-of-the-art. This is the first facility to support overhead charging for a large fleet of buses in the United States. Very high-profile client, very high-profile project, and it's very important to get the project off the ground and in the right direction from the start. In order to get the job off on the right foot, we have various checkpoints through pre-construction, with the most recent one implemented being the project execution plan. The project execution plan is a detailed summary of all the different components that go into building that project up until that point, and put it together and present it to senior leadership. The presentation include all the major aspects of what would go into a project: safety, budget, marketing. Every aspect of the project is included in that. The entire team contributed to the execution plan. We were fortunate enough to have many of the Northeast leaders in our presentation, and it was a great opportunity to really show the amount of work that the team has put in until this point, and really for them to gain an understanding of our unique project and our process and our team members.
The MBTA Quincy team did an amazing job in their presentation. There's been a lot of time and a lot of effort put in on that project. I think the best part about our team is that they feel that level of accountability to the MBTA. And I think our team's done a really amazing job with that.
It couldn't have been a better process to go through. The feedback that we got, the credit that we got, it was all positive interactions with everyone that participated in it. I'm so proud of the team and the work that they've put in, and I can't wait to see this project come to life.